Hey, I'm Nathan Crane with Crane Factor, and we bring you programs, products, and inspiration on healthy living, fitness training, and creating an amazing life. And today on Workout Wednesday, I've got a high-intensity interval training lower body workout for you. This is gonna be a nasty one. Nasty in a really good way. You're gonna sweat, it's gonna burn. We're gonna hit the hamstrings, the calves, the quads, the glutes, the core, all of it. Your cardio, we're gonna hit it in 4 rounds. The difference is we're gonna give you a lot of rest in this one. I wanna get your heart rate back down to pretty close to resting heart rate between rounds, so that when you get into the next round, I want you to hit it at 90 to 100%, okay? So you get through each round really fast, so that way you can just give it your all, get the rest, and get to the next round. So here's what it looks like. We're gonna hit 13 explosive squats, immediately followed by 13 pulsing lunges on each leg, so it'll be 26 total. Right into 30 lateral knee raises, right back into 13 explosive squats, and then you get a 2-minute rest, okay? So you're gonna get through this really fast, giving it 100%, wanna get that heart rate way up, and then you get a 2-minute rest, and then you'll do it 4 times. So let me show you the standards of movements. The explosive squats look like this. You go down to a full squat, below parallel, and jump. 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? So you go to 13. Immediately after 13, don't rest. Right after 13, drop immediately into 13 pulsing lunges. So it looks like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 13 on one leg, switch to the other leg. 6, 7. These as fast as you can. Right, up to 13 again. Immediately after pulsing lunges, right into 30 lateral knee raises. Looks like this: 1, 2, step up. 2, step up. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, as fast as you can, okay? Up to 30, like this. Immediately after 30, lateral knee raises, right into 13 explosive squats. Okay? That's 1 round. Rest 2 minutes and do it again. You're going 4 rounds. 4 time. So that means keep track of your time on this workout and post it in the comments below. Let us know what kind of experience you had with it. Was it a level 5 or a level 10 for you? And what was your time on it? And then we want you to do it again in 30 days or in 60 days and see how your progress has improved, okay? Additionally, if you want a program where we actually take you through all the high intensity interval training exercises, it's an 8-week program with a nutrition plan, a calendar, and the exercise videos where we're working out with you every single day, help you get in the best shape of your life, to help you get that flat tummy or those 6-pack abs, to help you get that toned and defined muscle, to help your cardio go way up, to help you lose 10, 15, 20, or even 30 pounds, then take a look at Fit 22. We'll put the link in the description below. Go check out Fit 22. It's a program that's gonna change your life, okay? Additionally, if you like this workout, give it a thumbs up. Please share this video with friends and family. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button for more great workouts we're sending your way. Thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you tomorrow.